Hi folks, right, today I'm fitting a gate closer, a spring gate closer to a steel gate. Now, if you're fitting these to a wooden gate, they're dead easy. You just put 2 screws in. However, on this one, because it's a steel gate, there's not a lot of room to fit it. Now, I've drilled 2 holes there and they line up with the bracket, so I'm going to pop rivet it on, see how it goes. If it turns out to be a problem, I'll drill them out. They're M5 holes, M5 rivets. If it's a problem, I'll just tap them out and put M6 bolts in instead. Now, you want to keep this spring as straight as you can. You don't want any bends or whatever in it. Just keep it straight. And as I'm going onto a circular post, it's going to be a little bit awkward, but that's about as straight as I can get it. So now I've got to drill 2 holes at the bottom and pop rivet the bottom on. Now, this one from Amazon came with a little bar to tension it. What you do is you put the bar in the hole there and you twist anti-clockwise away from the gate, and that winds the spring up against the gate. So I'm using a screwdriver, just a little pin that came with it was rubbish, it bent straight away. You just pull it out and then you push that pin in to the hole and then let it go, and that locks the tension on the gate. So now the next delivery driver that comes round, the gate shuts, which is just what I wanted. So no more delivery drivers leaving the gates open. Really quick job, took about 5 minutes. On a wooden gate it's easy because you just screw these in, tension it, put the pin in, and that's it. Would be helpful if it came with instructions, but it's fairly simple to work out. I'm going to change these rivets tomorrow. I'm going to get some 6mm bolts and I'm going to drill these out, thread the holes out and put 6mm bolts in to hold it properly, because I don't think those rivets will last forever. But for the moment it works, and that's what I wanted. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.